Now that we've described a monomial, we can describe a polynomial. So notice these words. Polynomial starts with this root poly, meaning many, versus monomial starts with this root. We just have the mo part of mono, which means one. So a monomial is one term put together with multiplication. A polynomial is a sum of one or more monomials. So looking at these example expressions, 3x squared is a monomial, 5x is a monomial, -7 is a monomial. This is a polynomial because each term is a monomial. On the other hand, in this next example expression, x is a monomial, 2 is a monomial, but the 3 times the square root of x, that is not a monomial. And so this whole expression is not a polynomial because -3 times the square root of x is not a monomial. In this next expression, -3 is a monomial, but notice this exponent -2. Right? Exponent -2 is actually secretly representing division by x. This first term is not a monomial. And so this expression is not a polynomial, and that's because 4x to the -2 is not a monomial. Okay, how about 2 times x to the third times y? That only has one term. That term is a monomial, and so this is a polynomial. All monomials are also polynomials. And again, that's true because each of its terms, in this case only one, is a monomial. And believe it or not, the same is true of just the single number 5. A single number is a monomial because there are no operations other than multiplication. There are no operations at all. And so it's a monomial. It's also a very simple polynomial. So to identify an expression as a polynomial, we just look at each of its terms and we see whether or not each term is a monomial. If each term is a monomial, then it's a polynomial.